Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Previous class I explained tenses, tense forms, how to change tense forms of the verbs. Okay. So today I'm going to explain misspelled words. So here some words given, they are spelled wrongly spelled. We have to correct them and write. As I told you that we have to learn glossary and words, then only you are able to answer my questions. Did you learn? Did you learn glossary? Okay, very good. So, shall I start? Page number 13 from your workbook. Page number 13, bit number 5 from your workbook. Okay? So, what is that bit? Correct the following spellings and write at the space given below. So, here, misspelled word given, we have to correct that word and write correct word. Okay? Bit number 5. What is that? Correct the following. Spellings and write in the space given below. So here, misspelled word. Here we should write correct word. Okay. So what is the first word? Resin. What is the spelling of resin here? Misspelled word is Vizil. Is it correct spelling? No. It is not a correct spelling. What is the correct spelling? Vizil. 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 So this is the correct spelling. Okay. And second word. Anxious. ANCS. HOUS. Is it the correct spelling of anxious? No, it's wrong spelling. So what is the correct spelling now? ANX. ANX. HOUS. Great. Third word. Stranger. Here, STRENGV given. So is it the correct spelling for strange? Strange spelling. Correct spelling is STRANGV. Next, fourth word. Calcul. CAZLE calcul. Is it correct? No. What is the correct spelling of calcul? CASTLE. Next, fifth word. Immediate. IMM. IDI. ATE. Is it correct spelling immediate? No. Then what is the correct spelling? Right here. IMEDIATE. So what we have changed here? Here I given and here we have written E. Okay. This is only wrong. And here CAZLE calcul. So here Z is wrong, What we have to write instead of that? We have to write est. Okay. Here, E wrong. A is correct. The wrong spelling and B the correct spelling. Z. In the place of Z, we have the Z. Okay. Next, what is the sixth word? Comfortable. What is the spelling of comfortable? Here, COMFUR TABLE. So what is wrongly pronounced here? U. Is the spelling comfortable? Very good. This one. Very good, this one. Comfortable. COMFOR TABLE. Comfortable. So here only U wrongly pronounced. Wrongly written. First you copy that. Shall I read first two words? Next, seventh one. Courtier. COURTEIR. What is the correct spelling of courtier? CO. Very good. COUR. CIER. So what we are written? E. This is changed here. IE. Okay. That's only. Satvika. Very good. Arrogant. Here AROGANT. Arrogant. So arrogant spelling is wrong. What is the correct spelling? Very good. Lisa. AROGANT. Arrogant. So here only one argument we have to write to search. Very good. Satvik. Okay, right. Think fast. Shall I raise? I'm raising this. If you complete, I'll go for next week. Okay? Completed, ma'am? On your videos, students? On your videos? Still 4 members is not on your videos. Okay, shall I go to next bit? What is the next bit? Sixth bit, ma'am. Sixth bit, we have to change the nouns into adjectives. Okay? We have to change nouns into adjectives. First, listen, Satvik. Listen. So here, nouns given, we have to change into adjectives. Noun means naming word. Okay, what is adjective? Adjective describes a noun. That is describing word. Adjective is a describing word. Noun means name. So whatever the name given, that is describing the adjective. But that now the adjective is describing word. Okay. So it shows the qualities of the noun. Okay. Is it clear? Noun means naming word. Adjective means describing word. Okay. Here nouns given, those nouns we have to change into adjectives. Okay. Sixth bit, change the following nouns into adjectives. Okay. So what are the nouns given here? Nouns, adjectives. Okay. What is the first one? Anxiety. Okay. Anxiety is the noun. So what is the adjective form of anxiety? Anxious. Okay. This one again correct. Anxious. A-N-X-I-O-U-S. Anxious. Okay. Next is anger. So what is the adjective? Anger is the noun. Okay. What is the adjective form of anger? Angry. Next. Third one. Beauty. Beauty is a noun. So what is the adjective form of beauty? Anyone try to answer? What is that? Beautiful. Preetham. Very good. Beautiful. Adjective form is beautiful. Beautiful rose, beautiful girl. We are saying we are describing the girls and girls, everything. So here beautiful is the adjective. Okay. Fourth one, comfort. So comfort is a noun. What is the adjective form of comfort? What is that? Comfortable. Raise one. Very good. What is the adjective form of comfort? Comfortable. Next, fifth one. Satisfaction. Satisfaction. So this is satisfaction is a noun. What is the adjective form of satisfaction? Come on, try to answer. What is that? Satisfaction. Satisfactory. Okay. Satvik. Satvik ready? Very good. Satisfactory. S-A-T-I-S-F-A-C-T-O-R-Y. Satisfactory. Okay. Next word. What is the next word? Sixth one. Happiness. Happiness is a noun. Okay. So what is the adjective form of happiness? Can anyone say? Happy. Rizwan. Very good, Rizwan. Yes. The adjective form of happiness is happy. Write these words. Make it fast. Still, some of the students did not on their videos. If you not on your videos, I will mark as absent. If you want to absent, you will hide your videos. Okay. Shall I read the first two words? Have you written, ma'am? Shall I read first two words? Okay. Next, seventh word. Importance. Importance. What is the adjective form of importance? Rizwan. Okay. Important. Important, adjective form is important. Okay, next one. Reality. What is the adjective form of reality? What is that? Rizwan, Preetham. Okay. Preetham, Satvik, Rizwan answered. Real. What is the adjective form of reality? Real. Very good. Okay. So this bit completed. And the next bit I already explained that. Okay. Interrogative pronouns I already explained in the previous class. Did you remember? Okay, very good. So, shall we go to next bit? We have completed sixth bit and seventh bit also we have completed previously. So, we will go for eighth bit. Okay. Shall I use that? Completed? Sit properly, everyone. Sit properly. Completed? Okay. Then open page number 15. Page number 15, eighth bit. Okay. Open one. What is the eighth bit here? Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters, commas, full stops, question marks, quotation marks, etc. So we have to write punctuation. So here some sentences given, but they are not punctuated. Okay. So we have to correct those sentences and write again. Okay. By using commas, full stop, question marks, quotation marks. Okay. By using those punctuation marks, we have to write the sentence again. Okay. Okay. Listen carefully. Eighth which rewrite the following. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters, commas, full stop, full stop, comma, question mark, quotation marks. Okay. Now see first sentence. What is the first sentence given here? The fish said, I beg you. I beg you. Spare my life today. Spare my life today. So we have to correct this sentence. We all know that first, whenever we are starting the sentence, the first letter should be capital. Okay. So if the sentence spoken by the person, then we have to put those words, exact words of the speaker, we have to put between the quotation marks. Okay. Right? And whenever pronoun I comes, we have to write capital I. These are the mistakes given in the sentence. So now, shall we correct that? Answer. First, we have to change capital T. We have to write capital T. The fish. The fish. Said. So after said, we have to put comma. Before starting quotation marks, we have to put comma to separate this. What we call this? The actual words of the speakers. The fish said, I beg you. We have to write capital I. Here first we have to start quotation marks. Then we have to write capital I. Next, beg you spare my life today. Spare my life today. So after completion of the sentence, what we have to do? So we have to close the sentence with quotation marks. Then we have to put full stop. Okay. This part is called reported verb and this is called reported speech. We have to separate with the comma reported speech, reported verb and reported speech. Okay. Next one. The fisherman. The fisherman. The fisherman called out. Called out to the fish. Fish, fish. Are you there? Are you still there? Are you still there? So this is the sentence given. So what we have to do? Someone already said, okay, the fisherman called out to the fish. Fish, are you still there? Very good. Is that Satvika? Satvika, very good. And what is the answer here? The first letter we have to change into capital the. The fisherman called out. Same to same we have to write. Fisherman called out. The fish. Here's written fish. Fish or you. Forward the fish. After that, we have to put comma. Next, we have to put capital here. Fish, fish. Fish, comma, fish. Are you still there? Still there? So this is the question he was asking. So we have to put at the ending of the sentence question mark. Okay. You should not write full stop here. Write it. If you finish the first sentence, shall I write that? Okay. I'm writing the first sentence. Okay, next the third sentence. The fish said, small p, the fish said, well, as I am a magic fish, I am a magic fish. Once again, I will grant your wish. I will grant your wish. Okay, look at here. What we have to change in this sentence? The first letter T. Here we have to write capital T and the fish said. So as the first sentence I told you that reported verb, reported speech will be separated by comma. Okay. Here the fish was speaking. So the actual words of the fish we have to separate it by using quotation marks. Okay. So here we should separate this reported verb with reported speech by using comma and we have to start quotation marks from here. Okay. Well, as I am a fish, so I, whenever single I comes, pronoun I comes, we have to write capital I. So here also we have to change. And one more, I am a magic fish. Once again, I will grant. Here also again we have to change. I into capital. I will grant your wish. So whenever the actual words of the speaker is completed, we have to close the sentence with a quotation mark, and after that we have to put full stop. Okay, these are the changes we have to write again. Okay, shall I write the second sentence? Okay, already written. Now write. What is the answer here? Capital T. The fish said. So this is the reported verb. Said is the reported verb. So we have to separate with comma and here quotation marks will start. Well, W we should write capital here. And I we should write capital. I am a magic fish. Once again, I capital. I will grant your wish. I will grant your wish. So we have to close with quotation mark and we have to put full stop. Okay? Write it. One more sentence, left only one sentence. She shouted, back. I am not a queen, but I would like to be one. I would like to be one. So what we have to change here? She shouted back. Here, first letter should be capital, shouted back. After that, we have to put comma. I am. Pronoun I comes, that means we have to change into capital, capital I. I am not a queen, but I should be capital, would like to be one. So after that, we have to close with quotation marks. Here the quotation marks will start, and here we have to close with quotation mark and then put full stop. Will you write that sentence? Okay, minute. She shouted. She shouted back. So after that, we have to put comma and start quotation mark. I capital. I am not a queen, but I would like to be one. I capital would like to be one. So we have to close this quotation mark and put full stop. Write it. Make it fast. Time is over. Okay. I hope you understand today's session. Tomorrow I will explain next week. Till then, you learn this quotation marks and before I explain that spellings. Okay. Misspelled words also you should learn. Okay. Thank you.